going on YouTube? It's your boy TLX, man. We back with another video for y'all. Today we are doing the first mod on the TLX TYPE S. So basically we got this baby on the lift. Well, she about to go on the lift. At low life problems, we had to, do what we had to do. But I'm gonna show you the mod that we got. Today we gonna be installing the secondary downpipe, cat delete, whatever you want to call it. A-pipe. Shout out heel toe. Shout out HTLP, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing on the lift. Do this cat delete. I'm gonna insert some clips of everything stock so far, and then we'll do the after clips. So yeah. Now we got this shit on the lift right now. About to take this shit out because what my boy Blank said.
Dogs are a man's best friend, not cats. So we cut those out.
That shit right there. We're looking at the undercarriage. I'm not gonna lie. Being lowered is not that bad. It really isn't much damage. Yeah, there's shit here, but it's not that bad. It is not that bad. Shout out to the one and only, the shiny yellow head. Hey Chad, I just pulled the car out right now. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go to a different location because over here is just too much traffic, too much noise and whatnot. So in order for me to get the right sound clips, I gotta go somewhere nice and quiet. I'm gonna insert the sound clips. Might be at night, it might not, who knows? But shout out to my dad for installing this. Get some sound clips and whatnot, and I'll show you guys. you can see from the sound clips, the car did get a little louder. I wouldn't say it got extremely loud, but it did do something. Definitely did wake the car up when it comes to the pops, the shifting. I will say that this is a recommended mod if you are trying to mod your Type S as like a start out mod, because it definitely does bring out the pops. I don't know, the car does feel a little more responsive. I'm not gonna sit here and say it feels faster, but maybe it's all in my head. Give you guys a little cold start. This baby right here. Here it is, John. From the back of the car, it's pretty loud. Can't lie. Like, I have to raise my voice. But from the front of the car, it's not that bad. It's not that bad from the front of the car. As you can hear it. Like, I feel like when you're in the back of the car, that's when you really hear shit. Nice little cold start. That's basically it. If you want a quick and easy mod for your Type S and you don't want to void the warranty, you don't want to make it extremely loud, and you don't want to deal with all that cat bullshit, secondary cat delete is the way to go. And you could either get it from Function Work. Actually, you can't get it from Function Work. You got to buy the whole entire downpipe kit. You can get it from Heel Toe, IMR America. So it's a pretty good mod starting out, and it's something that you can do if you really don't want to do any extreme mods on your car. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.